Welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for a flyer design, let's go to the element and search for a rectangle shape. Let's take this shape and adjust it on the upper of the page. And then make another one and make it behind of the first shape. Change the color. And now go to the element and search for doctor. Let's take this doctor picture and adjust it on the right middle of the page. And now search for a rectangle frame. Take this frame, rotate it and adjust it under the shapes. Press Alt and copy the frame. Make it a copy. And now take a text box and type the text. Change the font style. Make it a uppercase. Take another text box and type the text. Make priority bold. Make all the text in left alignment. Take another text box and type the subtitle. Decrease the font size and adjust it under the main text. Press Alt and copy the shape we took before. Make it a thin and adjust it under the frames. And for the frames, choose the picture and adjust it with the frame. Make it rotate. Now give the frame a border it in 1. Now take a text box and place it under this shape and type special services. Now take a text box and type the services. From the element, take a health screening icon and take a round shape and adjust the icon over the shape and take a text box and paste the dummy text. Now take a text box and type the another services like before. Paste the dummy text. Let's change these things like this. From the element, take this rectangle shape and adjust it behind the services. Give the rectangle a border and change the color of the icon. Take a text box and type about us. Under about us, paste the dummy text and take the similar shape and place it under the page and change the color of services shape. Copy another shape and place it behind the previous shape. For this section, paste the shape we took overall and adjust it like this. Take a text box and type the text. Typing the alt text, take a bullet point and adjust with the each text. Adjust the dummy text under about us. Now take a text box and type for emergency healthcare. Adjust it over this shape, change the font color. Take another text box and type the number. Now from the element, take a QR code and take a rectangle shape and make it white and place it under the QR code. Adjust the QR code and the shape together. Now take a text box, type wave. Take a text box, type the phone number, take a text box, type the location and the wave address. All the text in left alignment. Then go to the element and search for a healthcare logo. Take this logo and adjust it on the right corner of the page. Take a text box and type the name and reduce the font size and adjust it with the logo. Change the font style to give this subtitle an outline from the effect. Here it is a flyer design for a hospital or a clinic. If you need this kind of flyer design or any other design need you have, like a brochure design, logo design, presentation design, or any other custom made design, please contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.